The money in crypto is made right now by positioning yourself in good projects like Elephant Money.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. Oh, yeah. So, Elephant, let's talk about it today. How do you know when to sell? How do you know when to sell? I think that's a great question. I've seen that question asked many times, and here's my thoughts. Number one, ask yourself, are we in a bull market? And if the answer to that is no, hold on a second. Gotta get the car warmed up, man. Are we in a bull market? So if the answer to that is no, then it's pretty obvious. Now is not the time to sell Elephant. Now is the time to plant seeds. I talked about this in another video. The positions that we get now are the positions at 5, 10, 20, 100x in the bull. You know, I can tell based on engagement, the numbers, that there's a lot of people not paying attention, okay? Those are the people that are gonna FOMO the top after it comes back. You know, the quick flippers, making, you know, just shimming off a little. And the potential for Elephant, you know, sitting at over $300 million market cap, you know, ask yourself, how big do you think it can get? I'm not making any predictions, but in a bull market, 1 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion, sky's the limit, okay? Especially with BNB being depressed right now, now is not the time for me to think of selling my position. And it's a, you know, it's a great position. You know, I've talked about my strategies, and then, you know, if you did do some profit taking, you could roll it into futures. I understand how some people want to build their futures account just because,
approaching a railroad crossing,
you have that cash on tap anytime you need it, you know, which is very handy, you know, when opportunities come up. But I'm holding me. I'm going to do my best, unless I have some dire emergency, to hold into the bull run. Because Elephant with BNB at 1,000, oh my goodness, you don't even want to imagine the kind of numbers we're talking, you know, can't even imagine. So, you know, that goes with a lot of these other projects, you know, like I did a video earlier today on the grapes, and what I said that I have a lot of conviction in the project, you know, that they're trying to build a multi-billion-dollar IP, and I see people flipping for 0.05 ETH, and I'm just like, oh, dude, golden gooses, don't let the golden goose slip out of your hands. Do you want to steal one egg from the goose, or do you want to own the goose and have those golden eggs coming out? So again, the money in crypto is made right now by positioning yourself in good projects like Elephant Money, like grapes, like Zen, that when the bull comes, money's no object. It won't even be a thing. It won't even be a thing. So I've been thinking about this a lot lately, just because I see a lot of people leaving crypto, and, you know, they just are like, oh, man, it sucks, nothing's going up. And I'm just like, there's tons of opportunities. You just have to dig and DYOR and find those opportunities. And the seeds you plant today, man, it's gonna be glorious. I'm not gonna say this is my last cycle, But I think mid next bull run, I'll probably take some time off, 3 to 6 months or something like that, just to reflect, gather my thoughts. But it usually takes 2 or 3 cycles to make it. I really feel like I made it already from the sense of liabilities, but just never having to work again. Everyone's got their number. So I'll leave you with that. Plant your seeds. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.